Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode 260. In this episode, our senior trader Matt looks at arbitrage trading, in particular the oil markets and how you can take advantage of crude and Brent moving in opposite directions. This might be a type of strategy you've never thought of before. And if you're a trader that likes to know more about the markets, especially strategies to trade them, then you'll love our 6th annual Algo Conference happening at Sofitel Melbourne in November this year. There'll be up to 6 strategies shown from 3 of the world's best traders. We'll have Nick Raj doing a portfolio-based intraday equities model, Johan Christian Lotter demonstrating 4 different models, including a machine learning model and an indicator-based model. And lastly, Christina Chi will show you one of the first models she developed for a hedge fund that traded up to 7.1 billion in daily turnover. If you're not at the level you want to be with your trading yet, then you must come to the conference in November and grasp these strategies with both hands. You'll even get to take home the models in TradeView X on the day. Also, we'll be holding a webinar next Wednesday showing 3 automated strategies to trade a declining market. We're calling it The Big Short. We'll put the link to register on the site with this video. It's free and we might also have some big announcements, so looking forward to seeing you there. I really hope you enjoy this episode of Trading Talk. Have a great week, and until next week, all the best with your trading.